So for this video, I'm going to take 2 empty spaghetti sauce jars and a Starbucks bottle that I have rinsed out. The spaghetti jars I washed and dried. I'm going to paint everything and use my Cricut machine and make myself a little farmhouse centerpiece. This is just a pan I picked up at Dollar Tree. I am going to paint white. I'm going to trim the edges in black chalk paint, and that's going to be the tray that's going to hold my jars. So here's how my jars turned out. I went ahead and put Southern Roots on one, a windmill on one, and then the word home on the other. I tied some jute string. The little black and white buffalo check bow is just something off of Christmas ornaments from Walmart back around Christmas time. I threw some greenery in there, set them on my tray, added a little bit more greenery, and it made a really cute farmhouse centerpiece.